In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new user in Google Merchant Center. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but I promise we'll walk through it step by step to make sure it's easy to follow, even for beginners. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Merchant Center account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. It might look a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with the interface, but don't worry, we're only going to focus on a few specific areas today. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. What you're looking for is the settings option. This might not be immediately visible as you need to click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the dashboard. Think of this as your gateway to all the customizable features within your account. Once you have the settings open, find and select People and Access from the drop-down menu. This section is specifically designed for managing who can access your Google Merchant Center account and what they can do once they're inside. You should now be on a page that displays all current users associated with your account. To add a new user, look to the top right corner for a blue button labeled Add a Person, or sometimes simply New User. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter some details. This is where you invite the new user by entering their email address. It's important to double check the email for any typos to ensure that the invitation reaches the right person. The next step is crucial because you'll need to determine the level of access to grant this new user. Access levels dictate what users can and cannot do within your merchant center. You have three options to choose from. If you select admin, you're giving that person full control, including the ability to manage other users and change settings. This is ideal for a trusted partner or colleague who needs comprehensive access. The standard access level allows the user to manage most of the product data, but they won't have the authority to add other users or tweak certain settings. This level of access is perfect for team members who need to work with product listings but not deal with administrative tasks. Lastly, there's the email contacts only option. This level of access means the person will only receive email notifications without the ability to make any changes. It's a good choice for someone who needs to stay in the loop without direct involvement. Once you've chosen the appropriate access level, go ahead and click Add User. That's all there is to it. The new user should receive an invitation by email, and they can accept it to start accessing your Google Merchant Center as per the permissions you've set. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new user to your Google Merchant Center account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time.